morning. It is 7 a.m. March. What day is it? It is Wednesday, March the 26th. Turn this heat off so you can hear me. And I decided to come out, leave a little early. That way I can at least do a couple, excuse me, a couple of Spark deliveries before I have to be at work at 8 o'clock. So I picked up one batch, you call it one order, but no, one batch I'm at, but within that batch there's 3 deliveries. So I picked up one for which is the first one that came through. All right, I'm back. I picked up an order for $13.74. It's an ASAP order, which means they probably needed to get this out on yesterday. So I decided to go ahead and pick up this order, and then we'll be on our way to work. After work, I want to do a couple more Spark deliveries, maybe about 2 more, because I don't like to be out when it's dark outside. But anyway, let's go get this Spark delivery. Alright guys, we are at the Walmart. I just gotta find a spot to get in. Look like we're gonna be in spot 7. Items has been picked up. So let's do this first delivery, which is an apartment. And it is let's see, where are you at? 8 minutes away. Let's go. It's a little cool out here this morning. Yeah, it's a little chilly out here.
Head northwest
this morning. Hard time finding that apartment. The next one is, I think it's right out here. Now I'm breathing hard. Oh Lord. Okay, let's go find this apartment. 1 minute away. That one was in the same complex. Now we're going to a house, and they had some instructions, so let me read it. Oh, yes, we're going to a house, and she was saying that the last time someone delivered her groceries, it smelled like cigarette smoke. And I don't know why people do that. Well, I don't smoke, but I just don't understand why people do that, because everybody don't like cigarette smoke. So let's see how far we're going. Let's get out of here first, this part, and then I'll let you guys know how far is the last delivery, and then we'll be on our way to work. And I'm so glad 2 of them was in the same apartment complex, 1 minute apart. So now we're going, let's see, and I'm glad most of these kids are gone. We're going 6 minutes away. Let's go.
Head northeast. Take the next right onto Coral Key Place, then turn left onto Belton.
Deliveries have been dropped off, and this house is I wouldn't say a busy street, but it's on, they don't have much driveway, so they can't get a lot of cars. But they do have a 2-car garage, so I don't know why they didn't put their cars in the driveway. That way when they get deliveries, we'll have somewhere to park. So some of my car was in the street because they don't have much driveway. And I don't know, I guess when I look for a house, I want to look for a house where if I have deliveries, they will have somewhere to park instead of on the street. But now we're on our way to work, and I will see you guys when I get off work if I do some more Spark this afternoon. But if not, you guys have a great day. Hey guys, I'm just getting off work. It is 4 o'clock, and I'm going to put on the Spark and see what comes up. Alright guys, I finally got one for $9. It's not much money, but it's slow out here. And the other ones they were sending me, I was not doing. I don't want to do a shopping because I'm too tired to go in the store. And plus, one of them, you had to pick up 2 items and then go to the pharmacy. I don't think that was worth it. So I just took this one. I'm going to pick this one up, and if nothing else comes through, we're going to go on to the house. And also we're going to, I got to do the day is Wednesday debt day. So we got to go to the bank and get out the funds to put toward the rent, because like I was telling you in another video, I was sent that eviction notice, but I was able to make the payments arrangement. So I'm gonna have to go to the bank, get the money out, and then go get a money order so we can go ahead and make another payment on what is due. Alright, so let's go get this Spark order. Alright, we're pulling up at the Walmart. I should have went that way. Let's see. Alright guys, I've retrieved the order and we're going to a house. And let me see, how far is the delivery? It is 12 minutes away. Let's go guys. Let's go.
Head southeast toward Pine Chapel Road.
Let's go. I don't know why people have, I'm trying to hold for a second. Come on, car. Go back, go back. I don't know why people have a hard time opening my trunk. I think it gets stuck and you have to just pull it hard. So I don't know what's going on with that. But when I get my inspection next month, I think I'm gonna ask about that and see what's going on with that. But anyway, let's go drop off this this order. There's only one order with this, and hopefully we can get at least 2 more before I go in, because I want to get at least 2 more. Let's go. they say these are houses, but I think they're as a shopping came through. I want that. I think they're townhomes, but they're right on the marina, right on the water where the boats are. So, and I think I showed you the boats. This is where I just dropped off. And I remember a while ago, it's been about a year now, I used to pick up this young lady's laundry with poplar, well, with such hair then, from out here, and she lived on her boat. But anyway, this is where I just dropped off a Spark Walmart delivery at the townhouse. And we're just waiting on another Walmart delivery to come through. But if one doesn't come through, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get that money order, so we can go ahead and get this money order and put it in the drop box on our way out tomorrow morning to work. So I'll be back if I get another Spark delivery. I'll be back. If not, I want you guys to have a great day. See you in the next video. Alright guys, I just picked up another delivery order for $17. It has 3 drop-off, 1 apartment, 2 houses, but it's not many items. And I believe the apartment has 6 items, 6 small items. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pick that offer up to $17. So let's go. Alright guys, I had to cancel that last order, but right now I'm on my way to the bank to get the money so we can go ahead and pay toward this this rental debt that I owe. I thought that was more important, and then after I get that situated and in the drop box, I'll see what time it is. If it's not too late, I'll do some more Spark, or I'll just wait tomorrow. Since I'm off Friday, I think I'd rather just wait till tomorrow when I get off and just do more Spark then. My mind is on getting this rent paid down, because now they add an April rent and electric. So I need to get this done first. So we're on our way to the bank, and then you can come with me as I go to Food Lion and get the money order, and then we'll go ahead and drop that in the drop box. Alright guys, we are at the bank. I'm about to pull up. Alright, let's get this money out the bank. Alright guys, I got the money out the bank. I meant to get $500, but I got $400. I think because I was rushing. I don't like when people ride up on me. I don't know why people don't do like I do when I see people at the let me count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. 1, 2, 4, 3. Okay, $400. And we got the envelope. Now we're going to get a money order. Yeah, but what I was saying, I don't know why people get right up on you. It makes me uncomfortable when you drive right up on my bumper like that and I'm getting money out. Why don't you just stay back a while, a space? Because that's what I do. I don't want anyone to feel uncomfortable when they're withdrawing their money from the bank. So now we're on our way to Food Line to get this money order. Alright guys, I got the $500 money order, and I'm about to write it on this, and we're going to drop this off in the drop box, and then I'm gonna delete this total from the remaining what I owe. It has been paid, So you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Be blessed. Oh no, I have one more portion to add, and that's the debt portion. I'm going to add that in a few seconds. All right, guys, back with the debt portion of the video. This is Wednesday debt day. Today, my payout from my job was $832.91. I went to I made a $400 withdrawal from the bank. Then I went to Food Lion, and I withdrew $100 after making $18.75 in groceries. So I went over and I got a $500 money order, which you guys will see me show you in the video. Then after that, I saved $20, which I haven't got yet. I'm going to get my gas when I'm on my way to work tomorrow morning. And then the last thing I did was I went on and I filed for my taxes. Every year, at a Tax Pro, they call it Tax Pro review. So the young lady, I've been working with her. Her name is Doris for the last 3 years, and she's been doing very, very great with doing my taxes. So I had to pay $259 out of that check to go ahead and get my taxes sent off, because, you know, taxes are due April the 15th. So since I went on and I had extra pay on my check this week, and that's because my coworker gave me her hours because she went on vacation. So I was able to go ahead and send off my taxes, which I'm glad of, which leaves me a total of $48.20, which $20, which I'm going to use for gas tomorrow morning, which will leave me with $28.82 out of this pay. I'm not sad. I'm just so grateful that I'm able to pay what I have paid. I'm glad I got my taxes are sent off. Excuse me. My taxes has been sent off, and Friday and tomorrow evening when I get off at 4 o'clock, I'm going to go out. I'm going to do some more Spark because I have to get a couple of tires. If I have to get one tire at the time, that's what I'll do so I can pass inspection next month. You guys be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.